Hello everybody, I am Tadashi Mori, and in this video here I'll show you how to make this traditional origami sailboat. Okay, so to make this model we are going to use a square sheet of paper like this one and start folding both diagonals like this. Okay, now turn the model over and fold in half like this. And fold the model and fold in half in the other direction. Okay, like this. Now fold here, making at this point here, the edge of the paper go up to the middle of the model, like this. Okay, and repeat in 3 sides. Like this. Okay. Now fold here up to this point. There's no exact point, just fold something like this. Now we are going to make a valley fold along this line here and this line here, okay? And at the same time we are going to make a mountain fold along this middle line. It's something like this. If you make this to mountain fold like this, you see the model get in the right shape automatically. So just close the model now. Okay. Like this. And now fold here, making this point go up to this point here, like this. So you have the boat here, right? And if you want to make it a little better, without this flap here, so you need to make an open sink here. It's a little bit difficult to make this kind of fold, so it's something like this. You need to open the model a little bit and reverse the folds in this square here, like this. Okay, and then you just push to inside. Like this. Okay, the model will look like this, and that's it. You don't need to make this less open sink, but if you make it, there won't be that flap. And well, the model will look like this. So that's it. If you liked the video, please do not forget to thumbs up and favorite the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.